Welcome to Austin American here at IPC Apex Expo. Joined by Todd Roundtree. Nice to see you, Todd.
It's nice to see you as well.
Okay. So we're standing here in front of a machine that you brought out not that long ago, really. That it's the Mega Ion. It's basically a batch cleaner. Tell us a little bit about how it works.
Okay, it's normally billed as a pre-conformal coat cleaner, so it's generally used with IPA and DI. It's basically a jet under submersion, so we fill the chamber, actually clean the parts. It is capable of doing a rose test as well, just for a process verification, and we've also added ultrasonics to it recently.
Right, okay, so you can do some ultrasonic cleaning from
Yes.
it. Yeah. So, there are a lot of people talking about rose testing as not being the most reliable test out there, but you've got a different view.
I do have a slightly different view. Rose testing is definitely not a process control, it's not a process qualifier, but it is really the best and only process verification that's real time, that is non-destructive, and actually still provides a result.
Right. So if you're looking for something that gives you a fairly instant result, then this is probably the way to go.
For now, until someone comes up with something better.
Right.
So.
All right. So Todd, what are the various sizes that you bring the Mega Ion in?
So we have two different tank sizes. One is 18.5 inches wide, the other is 22.5 inches wide. Both are 9 inches from front to back, and both are 12 inches deep.
Right. Okay. So, obviously, the way things are developing, we've got these 5G boards coming down the pipe. They're big, they're heavy. You're able to accommodate them in here?
I haven't really seen those yet, but we can definitely get anything. We can always custom design the tank to fit a specific board.
Okay, good. And you can use DI water or just...
Yeah, it'll take any solvent. So, of course, it'll take flammable solvents. We do build it in another version where we can actually use like terpenes, things that require a water rinse. Some of our, other chemistries from all the major manufacturers as well.
Okay. So, and over the other side of the booth, I see you've got the regular batch cleaners there for the boards, for normal aqueous cleaning.
Yes, we have brought our Aqua Rose with us today. It's an aqueous-based batch cleaner. It will do a rose test as well, just for that process verification. We introduced that, I think, back in 2016.
What about inline? Because you are known for doing some inlines as well.
We actually do, yes. We build 4 different inlines right now. We have our NanoJet, which is the world's smallest inline cleaner, full chemistry cleaner, where we can actually chemical clean, rinse, and dry in 6 feet. And then we have the Extreme Jet, which we introduced 2 years ago. The Extreme Jet is our newest to our inlines, and that is a 10-foot machine, an 18-inch belt. And then we have our HydroJet that we've been building since 2002.
So quite a family there, and anything else that's new that's coming in the works?
We're looking at redesigning our water-only inline cleaner right now. Currently, we build a Microjet EC, which is a water-only cleaner. We're looking at kind of building on the success of the Extreme Jet that we did, and actually shortening that machine and making that a water-only cleaner, or water-only version.
Okay. So when can we expect to see that coming out?
We expect to complete that this year.
Well, Todd, it's always nice to catch up with you and see things progressing here at Austin. So thank you very much for joining us.
Oh, well, thank you much for coming by.